How to upload high-quality Instagram stories. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to upload high-quality Instagram stories. To start this tutorial, make sure you open your Instagram application in your mobile device. Once on Instagram, create a new story by tapping on the plus sign. And then, let's just give this as an example. I'll take a photo of my veranda. Now just post it as normally as you would. Once done, this time, go ahead and watch your story. Once done, go to your profile this time and tap on the 3 horizontal lines on the upper right. Now, click on Settings. Then, tap on Account. Once in Account, look for Data Usage. And then, make sure you turn off Upload at highest quality and turn on Use less mobile data. Once done, you can now go back. In this example, we will be deleting that story that we just made. Bear with me for a few seconds, guys. And then, we will now re-upload that story. Alright, I'll make a video once again of my veranda or a photo. Then, I'll share it on my story once again. And then now, you can see the difference. Just share as normally. And that's it. Please like, share, and comment. And hopefully you get some value in this one. And as always, I'll see you in the